Hello learners, we will be trying here the practical on a array list now. So let's move to the IntelliJ for that. First thing is we are going to write the import. That is import java.util.array list. Spelling wrong, A-R-R-A-Y list. Okay, array list. So this is done. The importing has been completed. Now we need the main method, ESVM. Main method is there. Inside here, I'm going to define an array list. What type of array list are you defining here? I'm going for string. And also, what is the name? I'm writing programming languages. Okay. And the new keyword. And again, the array list. That's there. So the declaration is there. And now the name of this array list is programming languages. I want to add the values. So we can write here, that is, this is comment creating array. Okay. And after that, we are now going to add the elements to it. Adding elements to it. So what's the name? Let me copy this name. And I'm going to paste this name dot add. We have seen this method. Okay, so programming languages dot add, and what do you want to add here? Just provide. I want to add Java to this. Now similarly, I want to give 3 more, or let's say 2 more. So copy, paste and paste. Okay, so here instead of Java, just making a change, making it Python. And also I want to add JavaScript. Script, fine, done. So we have added the elements. Now, do you want to display this? Yes, if you want to access the element, what you are going to require, that is the for loop. Yes, we are making use of for each. And here, I'm just going to take my control. That control is, for example, language. That is being pointed onto programming language. Okay. Yes, this much, the programming language. And what we want this to do, we want it to display. So s out and then the variable language, or we can say not variable, it's a control that we have set on programming languages. This is the control. So shall we try this? This much at least we can have. So Java, Python and JavaScript all are there. Okay. Now my task is I want to remove one. I want to remove Python from here. What should I do for that? For this thing, I can do one thing. I can make use of the method. That is to remove, or we write removing element. So for removing element, simply I'm going to write the name instead of dot add. This is dot remove. Okay, and within the brackets, Python. I want to remove Python out of it. And when we are removing, definitely we want to check the size. So check the size. For checking the size, I am writing s out, and inside here in double quotes, that is size out of this plus then programming language dot size. Done. That's there. Now let me execute. So all the outputs are there. We have Java, Python, JavaScript, and then size remains 2. Now why size is 2? Because now we have removed item. If you want, you can just display this one more time after removing to just check on that. Okay.